How to test the low pressure water and surface water recirculation systems on the Bucher V20 compact sweepers. The 275 litre freshwater tank is filled in the offside cab rear window using either a hydrant or hose. With the machine running, select work mode by twisting the drive selector stalk to position 1. Now press and hold the low pressure water pump button as shown and check it is set in the auto position indicated by letter A on the screen. Now you've set this, when you drop the sweep gear, the water pump will automatically start. Alter the volume of water sprayed to maintain adequate dust suppression. It is important to ensure enough water is being used to prevent dust being drawn through the suction system or being generated by the brushes. On firm level ground, raise the hopper as shown and engage the body prop. Never go under the body until the body is propped and locked correctly. To prevent the loss of contaminated water from the top of the recirc tank, ensure the cap is screwed in tight and not leaking water. To test the recirculation system, press and hold the recirculation button as shown until the system shows as working as seen here on the top of the screen. By operating the sweep gear with the suction fan set at 10% and your brushes turned off, you should see a good flow of water up the inlet tube. Alternatively, you can raise the suction box from the floor and you should see a good flow of water coming out the bottom of the suction box. The recirculation system must be drained and cleaned daily. If it's left any longer, it can clog and block up. Open the drain tap on the bottom of the tank in an appropriate location to deal with contaminated water. When it's empty, unclip the outlet pipe and then flush through with a low pressure hose. Now remove the top excess screw cap and place somewhere safe. Using the lance or a wash bay lance, wash out the service water tank thoroughly, ensuring all silt is removed and the drain tap is running clear. Close the drain tap and flush the outlet through as shown until running clear. Reconnect the outlet hose and access screw cap securely. Under the front of the body, the service water outlet plunger and hopper dewatering drain need flushing back through to ensure they can deliver water effectively. Open the tap as shown with the red lever and remove the plunger outlet so you can jet wash back through the openings. These can be washed through thoroughly until you can clearly see through the mesh into the hopper. Now close the drain and refit the plunger. With the hopper fully raised and locked, wash the filter meshes in the sides and the front of the hopper to ensure there's no build-up of dirt. Aim the lance into the corner triangle panels as shown to flush through until the water runs clear. Remove the fan access screw cap and flush with the lance. Repeat this 2 or 3 times until the water runs clear. You can then refit the cap securely once the water has drained. Following this process daily ensures your machine will be in tip-top condition and working well.